Hey, it's Nikki from Rize Bikes, and today we're going to show you how to change the gears in your bike. So the gear shifter is located underneath your bell, right here. So the first lever is right here, where your thumb would usually rest, and the next one is hiding right behind right here, and your index finger is going to press this one. I'm going to throw my helmet on, and I'm going to show you how to do it when you're riding your bike. Okay. I've got my pedal assist at 0 right now and my gear is at 1, the easiest gear. It's gonna be super easy to pedal, like so. So I'm gonna upshift. See, it's getting a little harder to pedal now. I'm gonna go all the way to 7 now. Ugh. So it's super hard to pedal right now. So it's not the best when you're on flat surfaces like this. So I'm gonna go all the way back down. And that's how you change your gears. Now, it's best to just experiment, try it out, get out there, ride, be safe. Thanks for watching.